What's up guys, my name is Brandon. Today we're going to show you how to make a classic michelada. This is la michelada clásica. So let's just show you exactly what you're going to need. We need to have a spicy rim, so we're going to go with tajin powder, clamato to give that tomato flavor, some hot sauce to kick it up. We prefer tapatio. Jugo Maggi, you can also use Worcestershire sauce. 3 limes, como tres. Some ice. This is the helada and michelada. And of course, beer. We're going to use Modelo. Okay, let's make this michelada. First up, take the tajin and pour a bunch of it onto a paper plate. Great. Now, we're going to take our glass and we're going to slowly rim it with a lime. Awesome. From there, we're going to turn the glass upside down and slowly roll it into the pile of tajin. Bend the paper plate to really make sure you get that rim nice and spicy. Now we need to get the helada in michelada. So we're gonna throw in ice. If you don't have ice, you don't have a michelada. Now let's add the clamato. Now clamato does have clam juice. If you don't like clam juice, use a different tomato-based drink. I like to pour about a third way up the glass. Okay, now let's add the spice. I like tapatio hot sauce. You can choose whatever hot sauce you prefer. I'm going to add about a tablespoon. Great. Now let's add the jugo Maggi. I'm going to add another tablespoon. Yummy. Now let's add the lime juice. I like to use about 2 full limes. I love that citrus flavor. And finally, add the beer, the whole can, todo. And finally, I like to top off the drink with more clamato. That's it. That's the michelada. And today, we're going to garnish it with our El Norteño Cecina beef jerky. Boom. Please enjoy it at home, and don't forget you can find our products in the link below.